Want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Monday. Oh, I'm in a good mood. December the 12th, 2011, 4 p.m. Eastern. What a day. What a day. Honestly, probably one of the easiest days we've had in a while. Carry over from Friday. And people finally realized, wait a second, they got crap done. The Germans, eins, zwei, taking over. They got crap done. S&P's opening pretty much unchanged, up a little bit, and then bang, European session, no soup for you. That's it. I think that's it. I think we topped out. Like I said, in the S&P, we're going to take a look in a little bit. That's it. Toast. I'm not saying we're going to collapse, but certainly 1100. Certainly 1100. And look at this spot, dollar index. Oh, baby. Is it ready to go? Is it safe? Is it safe? You're damn right it is. We're going up. That's it. Apparently, a lot of euro longs capitulated today. Makes me a little nervous, but still means we could pull back a little and then go. Mamacita. But, as far as news that came out today, really not much to talk about. I thought that the trade balance out of Australia was terrible. 1.6 billion, looking for 2. Wage prices out of Germany, I don't get that. Swiss unemployment level, 4.05 million. I don't get that. Let me tell you something. Remember, I truly think there is a tremendous trade in the Swiss franc coming, one direction or the other, in the next 2 weeks. Look at the chart. We'll look at it together. 4.05 million. The estimate was for 2.79 million. I mean, that's like, how big is Switzerland? Remember, Canada, their jobs 10 times we are bigger, the U.S., than them. Who knows about the Swiss? That's a monster number. So, but again, the more digestion that occurs from this force feeding, like they do, can't believe I'm losing the name. Even though it's okay, foie gras. Yes. Foie gras. I refuse to eat foie gras. I will not eat at a restaurant that serves foie gras. I think it's the most disgusting thing on the planet to force feed animals, shove it down their throat to explode their organ so that we can eat and taste something good. It's disgusting. It's inhumane. So, the same thing I think happened with Europe. They were forced to have a steel shaft down their throat, and now they're not so happy about it. They're feeling a little sick. Foie gras. It's like a liver. I love chopped liver. I'm Jewish. Foie gras? No. It might be good. But when you know what they do to the animals to allow you to eat this stuff, it's inhumane and disgusting. And that's what happened. That's what Germany forced. Eins, zwei. Forced them to accept fiscal discipline in order for them to agree to bail them out. So, we do have some numbers coming out tonight. Euro sterling, obviously the big loser today. Cable, hanging tough. Pound Aussie, to the moon. Thank you, sir. I have another. Oh, baby. It's starting the march. Here we go. To the moon. Inside, look at that. You got the wedge. You got the outside wedge. But then you got an inside wedge. Where are we going? 158 for sure. Outside, inside. Outside, inside, baby. Stock market topped, in my opinion. That's it. I think we go lower. I don't know if we're going to break 1100, but we're certainly going to make a run towards 1100. Things didn't get resolved. Bottom line. So we look at this euro sterling. And remember what I tried to tell you. If euro sterling is going down, cable will be the relative strength winner. And that's what we saw today. This thing is busted. It is broken. It is a dead short. Toast. Now you do your Fibonacci. Gosh, I love this trade. Blue Horseshoe loves. Look at where we are. Look at where we are. All right, I'll say again. Look at where we are. Oh, baby. I'm getting hot under the collar, baby. Right at the 61.8% retracement and at the bottom of a channel line. Ready to collapse. We got the bar down. Possible turnaround Tuesday. The suckers futzed around and chopped us up. That's it. It's done. End of story. You're done. End of story. Dirty Harry. Where could we go? Well, now we start talking about longer term. 1-2. The Germans screwed up once again. This is a repeat of the 30s, in my opinion. Again, look at where we are. Looks like 81.50 easy. Maybe even 80. Listen, this thing is the most overvalued currency. I've said it for years, in my opinion. It's a 10-year chart. Can't even zoom out more. Look at this thing. It has no right being at these levels. As I said, I praised the Brits on the back foot for standing up and saying, no, we're not going to go along with this bullshit sovereignty German takeover. We're not going to give up our rights for you to come in and tell us to cut spending because you don't like what we've done. Toast. And it's why cable held in. Look at all these lines. Christmas. Not to say I don't think cable comes in. I do. And by the way, we have a big number coming out tonight. We got at 4:30 a.m. p.m. East 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Consumer Price Index. People, 4.8%. Running at 5%. What the hell? How is any country, developed country, running at 4.8%, 5% inflation? Consumer Price Index. Give me a break. This thing is going to collapse. And so will cable. So Euro Sterling, I'm not as bearish on it. I think it's a turnaround Tuesday. I think Euro Sterling is going to be up big on weaker than expected CPI and then maybe reverse. Oh, baby. Down, up, down, down, up, down. For a TAT, German Zoo. 56.1 negative, supposed to be. Last month was negative 55.2. I love it. Retail sales supposed to be up 0.5%. Core, headline up 0.6 in the U.S. Business inventories, and we get the FOMC statement. No press conference. No soup for us. And that's it. So as far as economic numbers, I think will have a marginal impact on the market. I do believe CPI out of London, big. German Zoo, minor. Retail sales in the U.S., big. FOMC statement, minor. We know. But we take a look at this pound. Oh, yeah. It's going lower. Breaking. But again, put up a fight. Euro, on the other hand, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Krakatoa. It's done. It's finished. That's it. Channel line busted. We are going much lower. The train has left the station. Are you getting on board? Where have you been? The train keeps going past, and what are you doing? Get on board. The longs capitulated. Say bye-bye. This sucker is toast. We are going easily to 129.50. My line right there. It's done. They didn't get crap together. It was a slam dunk trade. How about my Euro Canada? Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Get ready. The only problem is gold, oil, all down big. My channel line, oh, it's going to get hit. Oh, I hope you've been staying short this. I know it's been a tough 500 pips, but don't worry. It's going lower. Now, you got to be long dollar Canada, in my humble opinion, because, they've had terrible numbers. Look at this baby. Easy. Triple top. Maybe even more. Ronnie, 104.50. Target. Oh, baby. And look at the wedge. Oh, yeah. All I have to say is when you look at a 10-year chart on this thing, I mean, really. One of these days, Alice, this thing is going to have the mother of all rallies. 115. I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow. But this thing is really due. Really. No, I mean really. Now, short term, I'll tell you, I could easily see us popping up here. Short term, certainly 104.50. That's 200 pips tomorrow. Oh, baby. So again, people, my product, right? When are you going to try my product, people? Free 1-week trial. Email me, info@globalfxllc.com or A. Spanton. Something's wrong with info@globalfxradio.com. I don't know. Things are bouncing back. Info@globalfxllc does work. Even message me on Facebook, Andrew.Spanton. Hey, you want to Skype me? Andrew.Spanton1. Add me as a friend. I like talking to people on Skype. Cordell got me into it, and I love it. It's free. I love anything free. I'm a Jew. Oh, my God. He said it. So, Andrew.Spanton1 on Skype. Looks like this dollar count is going up. I'm telling you, this Swiss franc. One of my members asked me about dollar Swiss. I'm like, you know what? I do like dollar Swiss. I think it's probably going up. And it's breaking out. Jeez, look at those lines. Definitely breaking out. But I'd rather be short Euro Swiss. I don't trust this dollar Swiss move at all. I think we have a big SNB. When is that? I think it's Thursday, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Thursday morning, Asia, in Europe. This is going to be big. We're going up one way or the other. Listen, I think we're going down. I think that, but when you think about the Swiss, they're preparing for no euro. All of a sudden, they have an employment number like that. There's just so much you can fight. I mean, I just think, we're going to have this again. It's going to happen. Absolutely. Dollar yen had a nice little day. What do I know? This thing. It looks good, though. It does. Look at it. It looks good. Wedging. German Parliament, EU deal is not German enough. Of course. It's incredible. Dollar yen certainly should pop up. Maybe even 79. I think ready to go. I want to buy on pullback. Stop is 77.40 below today's low. Gotta BOP it. I know. We did dollar Canada. We did dollar Swiss. Euro Swiss. What do I got to do? Cable. I did cable already. It's rolling over. Now again, anyone interested in my premium junior service? Oh, look at this. I mean, come on. This is it. It's done. It's done. This is going to be the easiest trade. This sucker is toast. Blue Horseshoe loves this trade. Gold was down $50. Oil was down. This thing held up fairly well. It is freaking toast. I know it got up to almost 104. Say hello, 98. Say hello to my little friend. It didn't get to my channel line, I know. You know what? Who cares about that? If it doesn't take out today's high, it's gone. Here's your stop. 102.20. That's it. Sell on A strength. This baby is going to 98. 300 pips more. Hello. How are you? Premium Junior. I'll tell you how you are. You get my premium twits. You get my daily emails with research. G-Man. Not going to say his name. And my trade rec emails. For $50 a month. You cannot have access to my chat room. No. Never. I don't see you. I don't hear you. You can email me with what I think. I have my BlackBerry with me all the time. I always respond. Ask Doc. I always respond. So, I'll respond. Not if I have 100. $50 a month or $400 for the year. And you get premium twits, daily research emails, and daily trade recommendation emails. 50. Enough said. Email me. info@globalfxllc.com. New Zealand, terrible. Rolling over. It's a sell, and it took our previous day low. Hello. Aussie Kiwi, in my opinion, this is going to be one of the best shorts for 2012. This is a joke. This is an absolute joke. Look at the head and shoulders. Okay, Australia is lowering rates. New Zealand is still rebuilding. New Zealand has an aviation fuel deal that's going to bring billions of dollars to New Zealand from Virgin Airways. Biofuel. This sucker is done. Toast. I love this trade. Now, do we got to hit the channel line? Probably. Wait. Where's my channel line? Monthly for 30 years. I thought I had a channel line here. Where was it? Where'd it go? Well, we could do a monthly and do our fib retracement and look where it is, 32.50, right there, and stalled. Remember, this is a 30-year chart. This was an aberration. We're at the top of the range. Last I checked, range, and that's a neckline. We are at the top of the range. This is a slam dunk short, in my opinion. Holding it up, true. And that's it. All right, everyone. I'm looking. Oh, wait. Sorry. Got to do oil. Oil, toppy, looking like it's going lower. S&P monthly. Oh, there's a monthly chart. Sorry. That doesn't look good. Triple top. Hello. S&P say bye-bye. Gold, as I've told you, is a short. Toast. Gartman saying, I think, was he 1575? Or is he, I think he's here. I think Gartman's here. Dennis is at 1475, I think. I don't have those illusions of grandeur. But take 250 And we're looking at 13 hundo. Can you imagine if gold goes to the lows? I don't think it's going to happen. That would be something, though. I think what's more likely is more 1500 zone. I'll alert the media, Ronnie boy. Sorry, I couldn't help it. And this pound Swiss, I'm telling you, I know the Swiss franc is selling off. I know they're trying to break it out. I think we're set for a sick turnaround Tuesday. I really do. This is bull crap. Bull crapola. And that's it. You missed everything. All right, people. Listen. Email me. Again. Twitter. Voice of Forex. Facebook. Voice of Forex. Skype. You want to talk to me? I'll talk to you. Andrew.Spanton1. Andrew.Spanton1. Request to be a contact. Facebook, Voice of Forex. And, of course, YouTube, Voice of Forex. Premium Junior. If you have a better name for it, let me know. I like it. Premium JR. info@globalfxllc.com. And again, just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring ding dingling too, because it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Happy holidays. Oh, baby. Team, I'll see you back at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me info. Come on. Big day today. I didn't even play Cotton Eye Joe. Andrew Spanton, 22 minutes. Global Markets Radio. The only voice you'll ever need who truly loves. How don't women like dogs? What's up with that? The only voice you'll ever need who truly loves to make you money. And I sure as hell did today. Bye-bye.